To another video, and today I will be playing hide and seek. Now with my sister and my brother, with my dogs. Yeah, she's an expert at finding me and him, which is her son. Good girl. And the reason how I'm gonna distract her is I'm going to throw rocks, not to the road, because throwing a rock to the road, she actually will go follow them, but she wouldn't go all the way down. Babies, over there. She only have 4. So let's get started. So obviously I'm always gonna have to be hiding because she can't hide. She won't stay in that place. So I'm gonna take a rock. She already sat down. I'm gonna throw it in my backyard, which is right over there. Not that deep. Shoot, I already dropped it. Okay, come here. Sandate. Good girl. Fetch. Let's go hide, guys. I'm thinking of hiding here. So I'm gonna set up the camera. She already is here, but I'm gonna throw another rock. So, yeah. Ow. Whoa. I'm throwing this rock. Sandate. Stop, Machita. Sandate. Fetch. Good girl. Sí, pa. No, pero ya tiene comida. She found me, guys. She actually passed by me 2 times. Sorry if you didn't get a good angle of where I was hiding. This little boy, come here, Oreo. Oreo came to me while I was hiding, right? Okay, but Oreo, he came to me while I was hiding. Okay, Dad. Oh my God. So it's time to throw another rock, and this time I'm gonna plan where I'm gonna hide. Since I have a big yard, I think I'm gonna hide in my chickens. So we're gonna throw a rock. This time we're gonna see if we can throw it far. Laka! Hey! Stop! Okay, so I get loads of cramps on my leg. Dumb chickens don't make little noise. I'm hiding in the back of this. She already found me. What? Okay, so she's one. We have a chance to run, guys. She's not here, baby. She's in the back. Move, Casper. So I don't know where I'm gonna hide. Probably behind that car, so I'm probably gonna have to put the camera right here. I'm gonna hide behind it, guys. Okay, so she found me, guys. This is her third time finding me, so this time I'm gonna try to find a difficult place to where to hide. But I don't really know where. I'm thinking behind my house, but I think that would be like an obvious place because her son will be following me, which is a bad idea. But at least I'm gonna try to throw the rock at the chickens so she can at least get far away from her. So we have a whole freaking pile of rocks here. This one would be good. I'm gonna throw 2 this time. 2. So we're gonna throw them to where the stop jumping on me. Your nails are sharp. Oh my God, she will find me. Dang it, she was following me this whole freaking time. I don't know how I'm gonna get her, guys. I know. So our drive-through right there has a lot of rocks, but they're stuck to the ground. So I'm probably gonna grab one up here. I'm gonna try to throw it to that truck right there. Let's go. She's gonna follow me. Stop. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, guys. She went for it. Where's your bar? This tree. Hi, Iris. Ow! Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not hiding. Ow! Why are you biting me? So she's leaving over there. She left, so never mind. So I'm gonna give her a minute to like pretend like I'm not playing anymore. So she can actually think she can go back to her babies or leave. Wait a minute. We're gonna take her back to her babies so she can stay in there a little bit, and then we can never mind, she's already going to her baby. So oh, I know where to hide. I hope they really don't find me. It's my time. Oh my God. I actually have time. Dang it! No, stop following. Okay. Look! She's peeing. I'll be back when she's not. She's done. That was a lot farther. Right. And I hope she does not find me. Here. She's coming. Never mind, that was Casper. What does it say? Let's see, right? So she's not coming, but I will go hide. So right now, I'm gonna go hide, guys, in a house. Oh my God! In the back. That one. I don't know if you saw me point at it, but I don't see her. I don't know. She's probably looking for me in the backyard and front yard. Okay. So we have made it. Okay. Yeah, I don't see her coming, so I'm gonna hide right here. It did rain yesterday. So I'm gonna set up the camera on that couch right there to see if I can, well, I'm gonna try to set up the camera, see if I can actually set it up. So she doesn't see me. Stop, don't mess with the camera. Okay, perfect. Casper. So I'm gonna go hide inside of the house to see if she'll come. So yeah. Hey guys, it's been like literally, I don't know, but she's not coming. And like I called her name 3 times. And I did hear my dogs walk the back there, but I don't think it was her. Because if it was, then I'll be hearing footsteps closer. I'll be hearing like footsteps like go straight behind the thingy, but I didn't. I heard his footsteps like far away. I don't know if he was with Casper or not. If you don't know who Casper is, it was that white dog that when I set up the camera and I was touching like that. That's Casper. I really don't know where she is. This is really weird, guys. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna go eat some tacos with my sister at 10, I think at night, because what time is it? Yeah, we're gonna go eat tacos at 10. She was in the freaking porch the whole time. I was calling your name. She probably don't even care. Oh my god. So this is the brightness, and this is the darkness. I like that better. Looks much lighter. Perfect. Okay. So guys, I think that'll be the end of this video because my stomach really hurts from waiting, and I might edit this video, so get away. So it might take a long time to post, like about 3 or 1 minute. Oh my god. My next video will be showing all of her babies. So yeah.